Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up Google Drive for cloud storage and file sharing, follow these step-by-step instructions to create your account and get started. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to drive.google.com or search for Google Drive in your search engine. Step 2. If you do not have a Google account, you will need to create one. Click on Create Account and follow the prompts to sign up for a new Google account. Step 3. If you already have a Google account, simply click Sign In and enter your Gmail email address and password to access Google Drive. Step 4. After signing in, you will be taken to your Google Drive homepage where you can see your storage space and files. Step 5. Download the Google Drive desktop app for your computer if you want to sync files between your computer and the cloud. Visit google.com/drive/download to get the application. Step 6. Download the Google Drive mobile app from the Apple App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android to access your files on the go. Step 7. Familiarize yourself with the Google Drive interface. You can create new folders, upload files by clicking the New button, and organize your documents, photos, and other files. Step 8. Configure your Google Drive settings by clicking the gear icon. You can adjust storage management, sharing preferences, and notification settings to customize your experience. Your Google Drive is now set up with 15 gigabytes of free storage shared across Google services. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.